Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are making a Florida Hurricane. I'm really excited about this cocktail, but really the star of this cocktail is our Florida rum. So let's get started on our Florida Hurricane cocktail recipe. So I have my cocktail shaker, and I'm gonna fill this about 2/3 of the way with ice. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start adding our ingredients. I have two types of rum that I'm working with here today, basically a dark and a light. So we're gonna add these. We're gonna add about 1 ounce of each. Now that our rums are in, we wanna squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lime in as well. I'm gonna squeeze it right in. All right, our lime juice is in. Now let's go ahead and add our passion fruit juice. So we're gonna add about 2 ounces of this Florida passion fruit juice. Now normally I would use Florida orange juice, but instead I found Florida tangerine juice and it looked incredible, so that's what we're using in the cocktail. Then we're also gonna add just a little bit of grenadine. And then 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. Inside of our shaker now, we have got 1 ounce each of a light rum and a dark rum, 2 ounces of our passion fruit juice, 2 ounces of our orange or tangerine juice. We've got about a teaspoon of grenadine and a teaspoon of simple syrup. And let's go ahead and shake this up so it gets really cold. And now we can pour our Florida Hurricane cocktail right over all the crushed ice. And we have a very simple garnish that's gonna go on top of our Hurricane cocktail. We've got a slice of a Florida orange going on, and then a Florida strawberry as well. Now remember, this recipe is on followfreshfromflorida.com with lots of other incredible recipes as well. And don't forget to check out our Fresh from Florida Club, where you can become a member and be entitled to all kinds of wonderful perks, so please make sure to check that out. Our Florida Hurricane is looking delicious. So I'm Chef Justin. Remember to keep it fresh and always drink responsibly.